again, and I'm back for another hair video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to flat iron your hair and add clips in it to make it look more natural. I like to fool a lot of people, make people think it's my hair, so today I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this look. So first things first, I'm going to go through what products you're going to need for this tutorial, and I go to the beauty supply and I buy clip-ins. You can make your clip-ins. You can buy like bundles of hair and make them. They're very easy to make, but like I said, I be being cheap. And I went to the beauty supply and I bought these for like $60. So I haven't worn these in like 5 or 6 months. So I'm going to wash this and blow dry it and everything. I'm actually not going to show you guys that. It's pretty self-explanatory. Because these are haven't been worn recently, I'm going to co-wash these before I use them. You can decide to use whichever bundles you want. My biggest thing is make sure the tracks that you're using, the density of it is thick, you know, because if you're putting tracks in your hair, clip-ins especially, you're basically just adding, you know, a little bit of length to your hair, and you want it to look full. You don't want it to look not natural. So you will also need a comb. You also need a rat tail comb. I like to use Silk Essentials. I'm like at the end. Look, you guys, I barely have. I got one more hairstyle left in this, but it's Design Essentials, Silk Essential, and I'll show you when I'm going to use that in the tutorial. You need a flat iron. This is my Old Faithful. I use the Cheat Air. It's my favorite flat iron. You can use whatever one you want, whichever one you feel is going to get it the straightest. And you're also going to need a blow dryer. I'm not going to show you that. Just get a blow dryer. And yeah, so I'm just gonna wash the hair, then I'm gonna come back, and then you're gonna see me start to flat iron my hair, and then I'll show you how to put in the clip-ins. Okay. Let me just say, no matter how old I get, I will never stop using this. It just, nothing gets as straight as the comb. Remember when you was little kids and then like they used to put the comb almost close to your ear and you like running, but you really about to burn yourself? You know, you gotta test your hair by like running it through real quick. I think it's good, y'all. Oh, I almost burned my goddamn self. Fucking with y'all, trying to please y'all. I mean, messing with y'all, trying to please y'all. You just want to run it through. You're not, because you're already putting heat to it. Damn it, I need a damn napkin. This will come. There we go. Just gonna run it through. Just be careful. You know, I actually went to school for this. Cosmetology. And I just couldn't find. You know what? I'm gonna tell you about that in another video. That's gonna be another video. I'm not about to tell y'all my tea in this video. You're not about to get 2 stories in one video. See, I'm just running it through. I'm not really trying to get it down and dirty. blow dryer. You're gonna grab your blow dryer and you're just going to, I'm gonna turn on low so you can hear me, still hear me. I'm just gonna comb it through. Oh wait, I think we should comb it first, right? Because it's probably tangled again. So you just wanna comb it out, comb out the clip-ins. I'm combing the clip-ins. And I hope that's what you're combing out. So you're gonna comb out your clip-ins, right? You can kind of blow it first, but I just like to, depending on how fast you want it dried, I just go straight in and get it dried. So I put it on high, right? And I'm just showing you guys. And go like this. See? Just like as if it was our own hair, you know? So you're gonna do that until it's dry. I think it's dry. Okay. So then I need to separate the clip-ins. You see how the weft is still kind of wet? Yeah, I could just blow dry that. So you see the little ones? These are the little ones, right? You're gonna separate them into piles, okay? So you see how this is a little one too? You're gonna separate it into a pile. So basically by the length of the width, you're gonna separate them into piles because that's where you know what section your hair is. Cause see, I have a big long one. So mostly I have two little ones and then big ones. Usually like if you buy the ones from the store, you'll get I think about 3 kind of this size, and then you'll get like 4 or 6 to go in the front. That's why I decided to do my part in the middle because this is basically old hair. I couldn't really find the other pieces to this. So, you know, I just... Alright, y'all, so it's time to put these clip-ins in. So I'm going to put my clip-in as high up in the back as I can. So it's going to go in the back, but you want to make sure it's pretty high. Don't ever put the clip-in like right here. I mean, if you have a lot of clip-ins, I would say that, but I think the higher the better. So when you clip it in, guys, do not clip it on the scalp. Clip it like maybe a ½ inch away because you're clipping it on the hair. You're never clipping it on the scalp, okay? And then we're just gonna take this, put it over like that, right? Then we're gonna take the little ones and make it a big one. Oh! All right, y'all. Uh-oh, little hairs. Okay. So this is the end of my tutorial, y'all. I really hope that y'all like this look. The one thing I can say is this is for people that just need a little bit of extra, you know, just a little bit of fullness. I'm gonna tie my hair down and call it a day because I have to go to work. But I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Mwah!